What is going on, YouTube? Today, GameStop released Q1 of 2025 earnings. It beat estimates and it dropped to $28. It is moving pretty crazy in after hours, and tomorrow I believe it is going to get extremely volatile. But before I do get into this video, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do keep you guys updated on what is going on with GameStop and AMC stock. So GameStop beat earnings like crazy and it still dropped from $30.15 all the way to $28.26. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, but I believe tomorrow GameStop will climb back past $30 with ease, just like it did in March. When GameStop released its earnings, it dropped, and then in pre-market, it freaking went up like crazy. And then we all know when they released that they were able to buy Bitcoin, it crashed from $29.80 to $20.73. So here they released that they could buy Bitcoin. Here they released that they did buy Bitcoin, and we have a shareholder meeting coming up. I believe they are going to talk about Bitcoin once again. I mean, we've dropped 2 times already when GameStop has talked about Bitcoin. What if on the 3rd time it's the exact opposite and we get a pretty crazy move? I mean, the year started right here when GameStop was trading around $32, $33. GameStop has done nothing but really make a giant cup and handle. And I know this could invalidate it, what happened here during earnings, our last earnings. But I mean, it still is there. It's still there in the picture. We have this perfect handle right here. And I believe GameStop is going to break past that $35 level sooner rather than later. AMC made a pretty crazy move all the way to $4 from $2.45. It kind of reminds me of this move back here. Consolidated a little and then it went crazy. The same thing is happening, but bigger. Not only with GameStop, but AMC. And it really is looking like short squeeze season. It really is. So Larry Chang posted, GameStop discloses first quarter 2025 results. Sales $732.4 million. Net income $44.8 million. Adjusted net income is $83.1 million. Cash and securities $6.4 billion. So Bitcoin isn't on the balance sheet yet, and that is because Ryan Cohen did not buy Bitcoin before April 30th. So we potentially may not know the price that GameStop bought Bitcoin at until next quarter, or they could just release it in the shareholder meeting that is coming up very soon, because I feel like that's some news they could drop at any time. So we'll just have to wait and find out. But GameStop beat earnings expectations by 4x in Q1 of 2025. So in Q4 they beat it. When they released it, GameStop dropped and then it skyrocketed the next day. I believe the same thing is about to happen with this quarter. In after hours, GameStop caught a 5% upside candle after being slammed down from a good earnings report. So there was 272,000 shares traded on that one candle alone. In 1 minute, GameStop rose 5%, and like the last hour of after hours trading from a low of $28.30 to $29.78. Who knows what that could have been, but that just goes to show that this little drop is nothing, and we could go back past 30 in a matter of seconds. So tomorrow is still going to be a very interesting day to see what happens. I mean, GameStop reports good earnings, gets dropped down. It's kind of like a slingshot, you know, they're just pulling it back, getting ready to freaking launch it in the moon. So on 6/9, Roaring Kitty had posted this picture, this meme from The Dark Knight. You know, a year ago today, Roaring Kitty was posting a lot. He actually posted every single day a year ago today. From Monday through Friday, Roaring Kitty posted every single day. So Monday, 6/9 was yesterday. Roaring Kitty posts going to the freaking bank. The Joker. Classic scene. The last thing he posted before that was just a green Uno card. Uno reverse on June 2nd. So he posted on Monday, which would be yesterday. Tuesday, he said you were a billionaire a year ago today on June 10th. June 11th, Options Basics 101. And he also posted Roaring Kitty shaking hands with what looks like some GameStop freaking board member or something. Just some tinfoil hat theory. I mean, why was Roaring Kitty posting all this a year ago today? I feel like everything is really being planned out. But we'll just have to see what happens over the next couple of days. This guy said, GME, congratulations to management and staff at GameStop for exceeding our wildest expectations once again. Ryan Cohen deserves an honorary place in the Hogwarts Hall of Fame. So GameStop's profit improvement in millions of dollars since Q1 of 2023. For 2 years, GameStop has done nothing but go up. Make more money. Now they have a bunch of Bitcoin and cash. I don't believe it's long before an event takes place where GameStop suddenly teleports to $50, $60, and then possibly to all-time highs from there. It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense that a company just out of nowhere in the past year raises $6 billion, 4,700 Bitcoin, profitable. I mean, it's insane. And GameStop's still trading at $30. I mean, like, looking at this chart, it just looks like GameStop is going to retest all-time highs. I mean, GameStop just released its best quarter in almost half a decade. GameStop is now invested in Bitcoin, which is nearing all-time highs as we speak. They're profitable. Roaring Kitty hasn't said anything, and we close at $30.15 today. We have broken out of this triangle, and it is looking freaking crazy. It is looking crazy, and at this point, all it takes is some event to take place, a little bit of hype for GameStop, and I believe this thing is going to blow up. Just one more hype event. It's really all it takes. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tomorrow is going to be a huge day for GameStop. The volume died down. After it hit a peak of $35, crashed to $30, the volume has been dead. I believe tomorrow we are going to see a ton of volume flow into GameStop once again and possibly break past that $35 level. As for AMC, I mean, it's just going to follow GameStop. And I believe GameStop is on the verge of really making an explosive move. So AMC is just on the verge as well. It only makes sense. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stock. So make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on. Push it.